My name's Nick Fontana, and this is a quick lap review for Palmer Motorsports Park in the clockwise direction. This is the reverse direction, also known as Remlap, and the corner numbers are backwards for this direction. We basically maintain the same corner numbering for the forward direction. So for Remlap reverse clockwise configuration, the front straightaway, which bends slightly to the left, starts with turn 14 and then 13 and 12, which bends now to the right. Turn 11, which bends to the right, and then turn 10 to the left. We've got the short straightaway between 10 and 9, the fast turn 8, turn 7, which goes uphill and then crests over the hill at turn 6, and then steeply downhill and then to the right into turn 5, further downhill and to the left through turn 4, and again downhill and to the right, opening up through turn 3. Finally, we've got the fast sweeper turn 2, which is slightly uphill, and then blind and cresting into the right-hander turn 1, back onto the front straight, which again bends to the left. Now let's take a look at a demo lap. The car is a stock 1999 Porsche Boxster on all-season tires. I'm giving a demonstration lap for a MassTuning advanced coaching customer. It's a 3-stage braking zone through 14, 13, and 12, where it's fast in, slow out into 14, get the car settled, fast in, slow out through 13, get the car settled, and then fast in and have the car drift out to about mid-track in turn 12. Acceleration begins now and then goes all the way through turn 10, transitioning the weight to the left smoothly. Coming into turn 9, take advantage of the camber on the inside of the seam, get back on the gas early, and then keep turning to the left to line up turn 8. Over the apex of turn 8, keep the car steady because the track falls away. And then into turn 7, carry a lot of momentum into the hill and get the car set up for a smooth transition from turn 7 to turn 6. And prioritize carrying a lot of exit speed through turn 6 and onto the short straightaway between 6 and 5. We're going to hop over to another video just to take another look through turn 7 and turn 6, because in the previous video, the line through turn 7 is pretty tight, but then very wide in between. And here's another option. So through turn 7, just miss the apex and then curl in tighter and tighter until finally apexing at the beginning of that concrete curb and transitioning smoothly into turn 6 to carry a lot of speed onto the straightaway. So just an alternate approach through turn 6 and 7, which is definitely going to vary depending on what kind of car you're driving. So let's just take a look now coming out of turn 6 and lining up for turn 5. Get the car all the way back to the left and then carry, obviously have to get the car slowed, but carry a bit of momentum through turn 5 and then give it up as soon as the car tracks out past mid-track and get down to the second black apex curb on the inside out of turn 4. Swing out just wide enough to make turn 3, which maybe not at all. And then carry a smooth arc into the apex of turn 2. Be careful of the blind crest between 2 and 1, and then smoothly transition that weight into one and down the hill using all of the available track, which pinches just a little bit at the bottom. And now we're back on the front straight, curling to the left to start another lap. And I'll offer just one more tip at Palmer Motorsports Park in the reverse direction. Definitely be careful. This track has a lot of blind corners, a lot of change in elevation, a lot of areas where the car can get upset, especially here at turn 8, which is a fast blind corner. The track drops out from under the car just after the apex. And be mindful that sort of in the middle of nowhere in Palmer. Absolutely love the area, but it's a little ways to nearby or to the closest emergency facilities. So just keep that in mind and use these tips at your own risk. Get up to speed slowly and always drive in control, both in terms of the car and yourself. Thanks for checking out this video and going through those demo laps and the quarter numbering here at Palmer. Remlap, the reverse clockwise direction. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on track.